Hey guys, Rocco here, and in this video we are gonna run a virtual machine, so let's begin. For running a virtual machine, we require two things. The first is a VM workstation. So for this video, I'm going to use VMware Workstation 16 player. It also have a paid version which is VMware Workstation Pro, and then the second thing which is required is a virtual machine itself. So virtual machine is nothing but an primary OS which runs on our default OS. For this video, I'm going to use Kali Linux as my virtual machine. Kali Linux is a Linux distribution. So now we will install the VMware Workstation 16 player. Now I want you to open up your favorite browser and in the search bar search for VMware Workstation 16 player. So it's already in my browser's recommendation, so I'll just hit enter. So instead of typing this, you can also click the link in the description. Now you have to click the first link available. And if you scroll down, you will see two options. One is for Windows and one is for Linux. Currently I'm using Windows, so I will go for Windows. I've got just the file installed on my system, so it's saying that this will harm your computer, but this will not harm your computer, so I will just click on keep. And now I want you to open up your files, and I will minimize my browser. So as you can see, VMware Workstation 16 player setup has been started. So this is the welcome page. Just click on next, and you'll get a tick mark on I accept the terms in the license agreement. So you can also print it, but I will not print it, and just go for next. And compatible setup, click on next. Custom setup, click on next. User experience settings, click on next. Shortcuts, next. And finally you will get install, just click on install. So I have got VMware Workstation 16 player installed on my system, so I will click on finish and let's check if it's installed on my system. So I will open Windows menu and search for VMware. So here it is, VMware Workstation 16 player. And as I said, we also need a virtual machine, and I also said that I'm going to use Kali Linux as my virtual machine, so we have to install it too. So I will open up my browser and open up a new tab, and in the browser I need you to type kali.org. Okay, once this page has been loaded, click on downloads and you will see two options. One is Kali Linux and next is Kali Net Hunter. Just click on Kali Linux, and if you scroll down you can see an option offensive security VM download page. Above that you will see download Kali virtual machine, so you will just click on offensive security VM download page. And if you scroll down you can see Kali Linux VMware images, so I will just go for the 64-bit. So it's saving the file, so I have got it installed already on my system, so I will cancel it and show you the file. So if I open File Explorer and the downloads, you can see Kali-Linux-2021.1-VMware-AMD64. Once this file have been installed on your system, you have to right click it and you will see two options. One is extract files and the other one is extract here. So extract files will do is extract your files wherever you want, and extract here will do is extract where are you. So I'm in download, so it will be saved in download, so I will just click on extract here. Once the extraction of all the files has done, it will create a new folder. Now the thing you have to do is just open the virtual machine. So for this, you will open the start menu and search for VMware and you will hit enter. And once you have got VMware Workstation 16 player open, just click on open a virtual machine and it will automatically guide you to a file. You have to click it and click on open. So this will create a virtual machine. So if you want to rename, just right click on and click on rename. So I will name it as Kali Linux. Now I will hit enter to rename this, and now let's open this. So I will just click on play virtual machine. So here it is a message. This virtual machine might have been moved or copied in order to blah blah blah. If you don't know answer, I copied it. Click on I copied it. So this will boot up the Kali Linux. So here it is, the following software is available for download, remind me later. So as you can see, here's the GUI for the Kali Linux booting up. So now I can log in. So I will type in my username, I will type in my password. Let's log in. Now we can also maximize it, so I will just click on this maximize button. So let's enter the full screen mode, and now you can see I'm in Kali. So just open the terminal, do some command cd/ls and power off. So this will power off the Kali Linux virtual machine. Okay, that was how you run a Kali Linux on VMware. Okay, so thanks for watching and peace.